To be honest, guys, we are not that good actually. You know what we do? Like, we go to Google, we find the answer, and then we post in the forum. Stack
I'm
Overflow.
requesting the content manager to cut this part of
No.
So here we have 3 MVPs in Bangalore for the developers conference, and they are going to choose a challenge each.
So here we also get to know them and find out more about their work.
Let's wait to actually go over all the questions and choose the best one.
2,000 years later.
Yeah, this one is for me.
Okay, so who should we start with?
Dilip, let's go.
Can you read your challenge?
Sure, I have with me the Power Up with Hackathon winner. Get to know the Hackathon winner and find more about him and what is the component he created. So Florence, nice to have you here.
What I have done for the hackathon, I created a form designer, a component. The idea behind this one was to have something tangible that you can interact with. So input data to it and have data coming back.
So that is a great point like Florent has added here. So one more thing I want to ask. So
you're not the interviewer here. Can you say what my component is doing at least?
yeah, I heard about it, but I'm a newbie user. I have mentioned it. Newbie user.
You don't know what I've done, right?
So I was checking about it, but I have checked.
Florence has done a really good job. I think
No, guys.
it's
So jokes
attended
apart.
something we didn't have an activity. I think as you mentioned, even Uipath mentioned, they were also working parallelly, but you come up first, and I think they are very happy to include your component.
Thing which was available on the gallery, and
Yeah.
I'm working to have it available on Go as well.
Who's next?
So the polyglot. Find someone who was born in another country and learn how to say community in their language. Can you speak French a bit?
That is really a great question. I was considering it. So right now network is not
Very
there,
well.
so Google is not able to help me.
I love an accent to speak every language, but in French I'm really not sure. But community or something like that.
Okay, I cannot
Community.
consider
I don't
all
know.
this
Say
word
something.
community. In a Russian also I can talk about a bit. Maybe in Romanian also. It's kind of in English.
Communauté.
Community.
So if I can
Community,
mimic
is that
the
right?
hype by
No, you
so
can
I
say
have
only
to-
communauté now. It's like
Communauté.
either you don't
Okay,
talk or
we're
you
gonna
say
start
communauté.
saying now. Community.
So,
Communauté.
Okay, gracias. I am talking in
Gracias.
Spanish. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Florent, how do you say in French?
Communauté.
Community. There's nothing else.
Communauté.
Communauté.
Yes.
Okay.
Communauté.
Can you guys all say it at the same time?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Community.
Communauté.
Why did you say?
1, 2, 3.
Communauté.
Community.
Next, the last one.
Most experienced IPA developers are here with us. Yes, it is.
Are
Get
we?
to know
These
them.
three. These
I'm not-
three.
Get to know them and find out more about their work, the community. What you are doing by the way in the community?
What I'm doing?
Yeah, I don't know.
I'm posting from time to time on forum. I'm
And-
trying
and
to
you?
bring value.
We are meeting first time, I guess. Hi, Akshay.
Hi, nice to meet you. I know it's different what you see in forum, what I see here.
Okay.
To be honest, guys, we are not that good actually. You know what we do? Like, we go to Google, we find the answer, and then we post in the forum. That's
So,
exactly what we do. You Stack
I'm
Overflow.
requesting the content manager to cut this part of
No.
This people is downgrading our abilities and
Yeah,
I think the experience would be the Andres Neon. So
he's from Poland. He's one of our MVP from Poland.
So
I think he's the one who started. He's really good.
I want to say one about
Amazing.
the Andres. I know him from offline as well, like
You need to ask question actually, not to answer it.
making her job easy. So as much as content I can provide, she can add it.
She's gonna have
But-
more
but-
job editing the videos. The more you talk.
But
Good job. Was this panel helpful?
You can comment now.
Okay, how should we end it? How should we end it?
We do some science or something.
Yeah?
Oh, pretty.
We.
And
No, I'm the V. I'm the V.
P.
Good luck.